Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your country on the OKX application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the OKX app on your device and then log into your account using your credentials and you will be taken right into your homepage. Now once you are inside your homepage, in order to change your language, click on the menu icon at the top left corner and then tap on your account profile and you will be taken into your user settings page. Now from this page, within the profiles tab, you will find the country/region option. Simply tap on this and now you will be asked whether you want to update your residency info. Tap on the update button and you will also see the notification that you will only be able to update your info 3 times. Tap on the update button and you will now see the drop down menu to select your country or region. Go ahead and tap on it and then tap on the country that you want to set or use the search box to type in the name. Once you set your desired country, tap on the confirm button and your desired settings will be saved. And now your country has officially been changed on the OKX application. And that is how easy it is. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.